click on the setting icon, then off the default ending and make sure you off it. Then click on new projects, then click on stock videos, click on blank. As you can see, adjust the video to 10 seconds. After doing that, click on go to color. Make sure you go to canvas before going to color, then pick the color green, and after clicking down, click on mark, then back. After, go to overlay, click plus, then go to stock videos, click on the white pictures, then go to mask to adjust the picture, and then click on the square one, and after doing that, adjust it. Make sure you adjust it. As you can see, as I'm adjusting it, adjust it very well. After doing that, adjust the video to the end. Then after doing that, click on overlay again, then pick your logo. Then go to mask to adjust it and click on circle, then adjust the logo very well. Adjust it. After doing so, then adjust it, pinch it to be small, then move it to the left, your left side, then move it to the end, then click on the white picture again, then go to animation, click on the white, then go to animation, then pick slide up, then click on the logo again, animation, click slide up. As you can see, play it. This is what you will get after doing that. Then after doing that, move the picture small, move the video small. As you can see, move it like this. After doing so, go to text, pick type your channel name, as you can see, then pick any font you want, then go to, after doing that, go to color, then click black, then adjust the text. After doing that, adjust it very well, so then move it. After doing that, adjust the text to the end of the video, not to the end, but at least close to the end. Then click on, go to animation, sorry, go to animation, then click on the typing something. As you can see, click on it, then this is what you get. After, just adjust the video to the where the text, where you can see the text, then go to overlay, then pick this green screen subscribe button. The video, the green screen link will be in the description. Then adjust it. Make sure you remove the green something, then adjust the video, adjust the subscribe button. Make sure you adjust it very well. This is what you get, so adjust it very well. So cut the beginning of the green screen subscribe button, cut it, then delete. This is what you get. As you can see, then cut the end, cut it here, cut it from where the video stop at subscribed, and and delete it straightforward. Delete. So delete every single place here, cut it and split it and delete every single for other pictures to delete, then subscribed. This is what you get, subscribed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, then like, comment and other. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, then cut the text too, cut it, then delete it, then click on, you can play the video again. This is what you get. Please don't forget to subscribe.